Alright, I'm going to make a little bit of a different video here. It's probably going to be a video on YouTube that's different than all the usual ones on this topic. But basically what I'm doing is I'm putting on my factory air box with the factory air filter in place of this. And you're probably thinking, John, what the hell are you doing? What's the matter with you? Why wouldn't you rather have this? Well, let's be honest. I like this very much. It is pretty cool. But I'm putting the factory back on because the factory, the regular normal filters are easier and cheaper to replace, and when it comes down to its cost, you know. Plus, I want to, keep a little bit of cleaner air running through my engine. Not saying that this isn't clean, but at this point, the way this filter looks, it's probably not anymore. And like I said, replacement filter cost is just not really worth it. However, I do like the sound, and I will miss the sound. So I'm going to actually start it up for you. I do like that muffler rumble though, but that's something I will need to change out eventually. I'll show you what I mean as far as sound. It sounds pretty cool. I will miss that, but I'm changing it back, so. That's why, at the same time, I'm also gonna do some cleaning while I'm at it. Throttle body cleaner, and mass airflow sensor cleaner. We'll see. We'll see about that. I don't know about that, but I also have a brand new filter, so that's going to be going in as well. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Alright, there we go. There's actually some PVC piping I had in there to help hold it on better, because everything that they sent me, it didn't hold a good steel. So there's that. And let me see if I could I shouldn't need to undo it that much, just enough. Alright, excellent. I could even tell that it doesn't even look that good. Sorry, it's like, I know it's hard to see. Sun glare, there we go. Yeah, that could look a lot better in my opinion. So, I'm gonna see if I can undo this clip, this plug here, and take this off. Okay, so as you can see, I got my mass airflow sensor out. It actually doesn't look too bad, but those little sensors right there, see those three little things? They look like resistors. Probably got some gunk on them that you can't really see, so I'm gonna clean them. Oh, look at that. Look at that, wow. You could actually see it see it being clean there. Let's turn this around. Notice I'm not spraying directly on the sensors yet. Alright. That kind of works how I have that there. Actually, that's probably not a good idea. Just gonna leave it right here. Let that dry for a minute, and then I'm gonna go back and do those little sensors on the other side. So, oh, look at that. So now, you actually don't need a lot of this stuff. I mean, you do, it actually depends. No, I'm running out of it. A lot better than it was, that's for sure. I'll take it. All right, so let's put this back. All right, now I just got to finish working on the sensor. I'm not spraying the sensors, I'm trying to clean out that screen. Slide this in here. Actually, I think I have scissors. I used to, with these Fram filters, if anybody else notices with the with their Malibus, these corners are too sharp. So you know what I do in this case? I trim the corners. Because when you try and close the air box, it's really a pain in the ass because of the way it's not shaped. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna cut these really quick. There we are, there's my corners. Now I got them all cut, and you'll see what I mean. I'll show you. So we'll just slide this. We'll just slide this here. And this is what I wanted to show you. And as you can see how I cut those corners there? You see why I did that? These corners here are more rounded, so I kind of helped it a little bit so that it would close a lot better. And so now I'm going to close it up. These screws are so worn down, so rusted. Need a good size flathead to close these back up. So now that's it. Now I got new filter in there. All factory back on. And now the moment of truth. Very nice. Wow, that was actually less of a hard time than the Hyundai gave me. Very nice. So yeah, I'm not gonna have that cool sound anymore, but you know what? Sometimes I think the factory equipment that came just helps the car run a little better than the crap that I put on there. Which, I mean, you know, maybe that did have a benefit as far as performance, but I don't know. So yeah, that pretty much sums that up. Thanks for watching.